Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Mr. Cobalt, and today in this video I will be going over another problem involving partial pressures and mole fractions. So in this problem, let me just fix this a moment. So in this problem, we're again given a diver. A diver breathes a heliox mixture. Again, heliox is a mixture of helium and oxygen. And it has an oxygen mole fraction of 0.050. What must the total pressure be for the partial pressure of oxygen to be 0.21 atmospheres? So they want the total pressure. They give us the mole fraction of oxygen, and they told us, okay, what if the partial pressure of oxygen is 0.21 atmospheres? Okay, what is the total pressure? So this is actually going to be a really easy problem, because if you remember the law or the equation, the partial pressure of some gas A is equal to the mole fraction of A multiplied by the total pressure. So they gave us, if this, they want to know oxygen, so we would write it as the partial pressure of oxygen is equal to the mole fraction of oxygen times the total pressure. So they gave us the partial pressure of oxygen, 0.21 atmospheres. They gave us the mole fraction, 0.050. And they want this, so we just solve the equation for the total pressure. So we'll divide the mole fraction, both sides by the mole fraction. And so the total pressure is going to equal the partial pressure of oxygen divided by the mole fraction of oxygen. So now we just need to plug those in. So the partial pressure of oxygen is 0.21 atmospheres. We're going to divide by the mole fraction, which is unitless. It's just a ratio of pulled apart. And so we're using 0.050, and then we just calculate, and that should give us the total pressure. So we get 0.21 divided by 0.050 equals, and we get 4.2. So the total pressure is equal to 4.2 atmospheres. Now let's check our sig figs. So we have 2 sig figs here, and we have 2 sig figs here, so we're only allowed 2 sig figs. So 4.2 is 2 sig figs. So that is the final answer that we are going to give. That's it. So makes this really easy. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for joining me, and if you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, make a comment in the comment section, let me know what you think, and ring the notification bell so that way you get notified of new videos that I put out. Thank you, and see you next time.